In Revelation 1 verse 10, we find John to be on the Isle of Patmos, most likely not by choice, as he was in prison, far away from his hometown, far away from his fellow believers. You know, as an introvert myself, I do enjoy alone time because this is when I recharge. But I do acknowledge also the need to have people around you, especially if it's my little village that I really, really care about. And so I assume it must have been the same for John. Being far away in prison is no fun, man. But we read on the Lord's day something unexpected happened. And from behind him we read he heard a really loud trumpet voice. And it was so loud, it must have been so clear, because this is what we can read now in Revelation as we continue reading this book. Here is what I really find so beautiful about this text. Although John must have felt so lonely being far away from his people, the Lord appeared to him on a special day, not only to reveal something very, very important, but also to spend time with him. And I don't know about you, you may feel at times lonely, isolated, even if you have people around you. But know this, it doesn't matter how you feel. I know it's sometimes hard to understand, but God is with you wherever you are, even in times when you feel isolated.